The Government of India has advanced the target for 20% ethanol blending in petrol to the year 2025 from 2030. The roadmap proposes a gradual rollout of ethanol blended fuel to achieve E10 fuel supply by April 2022 and phased rollout of E20 from April 2023 to April 2025. This important measure is aimed at reducing India's oil import bill and carbon dioxide pollution, as well as to improve India's energy security. Currently, 8.5% of ethanol is blended with petrol in India. India imported 198 million tons of crude oil in 2020-2021, with a net import cost of about $63 billion. It is estimated that the E20 program can save the country about $4 billion or 30,000 crores per annum. Last year alone, oil companies procured ethanol worth 21,000 crores, a move which benefits the farmers of the country as well as the sugar manufacturing industry. The government also plans to encourage the use of water-sparing crops such as maize to produce ethanol, as well as the production of ethanol from non-food feedstock. To increase production of fuel-grade ethanol and to achieve blending targets, the government has also allowed the use of maize and rice from the stocks of the Food Corporation of India for production of ethanol. Other measures to make ethanol production more cost-effective is the reduction of the GST rate from 18% to 5% under the ethanol blended petrol program.
In biofuel usage, India set a very ambitious target many years ago of trying to get to 20% blending of ethanol in petrol and biodiesel in diesel. However, that has taken a while to mature, and then in 2018, with a transformational new policy, both the deployment of biofuels and the research into new biofuels has gained momentum. Today we are blending close to 10% ethanol on an average across the country. Biodiesel blending is still very low, it's less than 1%, but it will hopefully pick up with a lot of new initiatives being taken.
So in this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, we look at how ethanol is manufactured and the scientific processes involved in the production of biofuels. Our India Science team also shows you how the sugar industry, along with India's petroleum companies, are gearing up to meet this ambitious target of increasing ethanol production by nearly 150% in such a short time frame. This and much more on this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, only on India Science.